What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to check if PlayStation servers are actually up and running or if they're down. So let's get right into this. So all you need to do is go to this website called status.playstation.com, and once you're here, you're going to see literally all the PlayStation networks if they're available or not. You'll literally be able to see if it's like one item down or everything down. As of I'm making this video, you can see technically everything's down. So if you're facing some errors, you might not be able to fix them, or maybe you are, depending on what type of error you're getting. But it shows over here like if it's down on like what consoles, who it's impacting, is it like social, videos, games, direct, etc, etc. So you can see over here like technically it looks like everything is down. But just wanted to give you a perspective, like this is where you can check, and there are like repair pages. You can then search for the PlayStation error that you're getting to see, and there's like other channels as well that show you on what to do and how to fix these errors. But I wanted to make you a video to show you like how to basically find the PlayStation status page to see if the PlayStation networks is down or not. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please press thumbs up, guys, on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and more tutorials out. Peace.